Hi everyone. This week we are going to be starting topic 2, which is properties of matter. We are going to be observing both physical and chemical properties. Let's look at the weekly checklist. In class this week, and for my virtual learners who will be on Zoom with me, we are going to do a lab that is called What's What. I would like for you guys to please wait until either the Zoom or until I see you to start working on the What's What. For your online assignments to work on when you're home on your virtual days, we have the first one, which is 1.2.3, Observing Density. It should take you approximately 10 minutes to complete. It should not take you any longer than that. The next thing is the 1.2.8, Properties of Matter Notes. There are 2 videos to watch to complete the notes. The videos themselves are not 30 minutes, but I have built in some extra time because it may take you a little bit longer to stop the video and type in the answers. Remember to be sure to check Schoology, as this is just a simple checklist for you. Schoology is going to have links and detailed instructions. I will be available on Wednesdays at 2 for our team Zoom to help anybody with any questions. So, if we take a look at Schoology, remember to click on the courses and please go to your Schoology Science page. This is one of my hours. Remember to click on More. This is for Wednesday, October 14th through Tuesday, October 20th. Again, your online assignments are the Observing Density, which you can see over here. So if we click on this, and you open your Observing Density, there are just a couple different things that I wanted to point out. A few of you have said, yes, it's very tiny, and I agree. It's kind of difficult to read. If you go right up here and click on this arrow down, you can zoom it to 100% and make it so that you can see the pictures just a little bit better. After you finish this, you can submit this. Go back. The other online assignment is the Property of Matter Notes. Open the Property of Matter Notes on Schoology. Follow the directions to complete the notes. There will be a couple vocab words that are not covered on the video, and we will cover those either in class or on the Zoom if you were virtual. So click on these. Again, over here, some instructions. Before you watch the video, I would like for you to fill in the My Definition column for all the vocab words with what your idea for the meaning is. Next, you're going to fill in the notes by listening and watching part 1 of the video linked on the assignment. Finally, fill in the remaining notes by listening and watching part 2 of the video linked on the assignment. Both of these videos were created by Mr. Mabry, and you might recognize him if you had him last year. He does such a good job with the videos, and he had shared them with me when he taught 8th grade, so I thought I would continue to use them. However, I do know that there are a couple of words that are not included in the video that I feel are very important, so again, I will cover those in class, so I don't want you to worry. When you click on these, we'll open up your video notes. Again, I put the directions up here, before you watch the video, please fill in the My Definition column for all these vocab words. So we have different physical properties. And as you can see, I've added a couple pictures. And then these physical properties are not in the video, but we will cover them during class. And then we have the chemical properties down here. So there are two different videos to watch for this. And you just need to click on this to go to the YouTube video. Now, he says to draw a diagram, but as you will notice, I've already created the diagram for you. You do not need to submit these notes, as we will finish them in class or on the Zoom if you are virtual. Your in-person assignments or on Zoom if you are virtual, we are going to check on a couple of people that might need to do a test makeup if they were absent or have not taken their test yet. We're going to log your structure of matter post-quiz, your physical and chemical properties pre-quiz, and your new physical and chemical properties goal on your science data binder. If you are absent, just remember that you will need to log the percentage, not the number correct. To figure out the percent, you take the number you got correct and divide it by the number possible. I will also be talking to you about test retake information. On here, notice it says complete this form only if you want to do the test retake. So you can look at your scores after we log them to make a decision. I will also talk to you and give you a plan of action packet to complete to study for the test. We are also going to complete the 1.2.4 What's What lab, either on Zoom or in person in class. I have included a density Quizlet link down below if you would like to review any of the vocab just for density. If you have any questions, you can give me a call, and or you may email me or send me a message on the team meet.